Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here. Real quick. Franco Nevada, I put this on our growth stock list today, a couple bucks lower than where it is right now. And I just want to explain it. First of all, the fundamentals are pretty much off the chart. I mean, they're really, really strong in this company. If you look at the gold miners index, and this would be one of those, gold is good. This very close to breaking out. That's what I'm seeing. Silver, good as well. So precious metals after all this time, and everybody's been yipping about how, the hyperinflation and this and that and the other thing. Well, where's the metals? They're starting to break out. And so I think you got several different ways to trade this, but the one that I'm featuring is just Franco Nevada. Earnings aren't an issue. They're not until August. The stock's up. It's been drifting sideways for how long? A week and a half, almost 2 weeks, drifting sideways with 140 as support. You look at the weekly chart and you can see this is, had a heck of a sell-off and then a recovery. And then after this point, it's just got really like blue sky. And you can look at other stocks, looking at this pattern on the weekly chart. You look at Adobe, same kind of deal. It hasn't broken out yet. Microsoft, same kind of deal, hasn't really broken out yet. But Franco Nevada has, so this is a little bit like this one, the cloud computing index, where it had this big sell-off and like a total V-shaped recovery, and then it did actually break out. And so this one, of all the ones that we've just looked at, this is the most decisive one right here because it broke out and it's just kept going. So I think you can buy this stock right here and then just give it a trailing stop of about maybe 7% or so. And then if the stock breaks out above 150 on volume, then maybe you buy a little bit more. So you kind of slowly increase your position size as the stock works in your favor. So, okay, by the way, our Codex trade, for those of you that are Stock Market Mentor members, we made over about 65% on this trade just in the last week or so, and we did it with control. We weren't just gunslinging and just white knuckling it and hanging on to this thing, but I mean, we were buying, selling half for a particular reason, then selling some more for a particular reason, and then finally selling all of it before this big earnings reversal. So if you didn't see the video that I did yesterday, as a member, I really, really urge you to watch that. It's a super valuable video. You'll see exactly what I did and why I did it, okay? And if you're not a member, frankly, you may want to become a member just so you can check out the video that I did on May 13th. It's kind of a big deal.